let's see if we can get this Boss 616 UAB Bluetooth into this Ford Focus ZX4 2006. I've already taken out some of the little screws here, so this is actually loose. I'm going to take off this plate and see if we can get it in there. This kit is really small. It's a really small radio. I don't think I've ever seen one this small. Here's wiring, instructions, and the remote. So let me continue. All right, I've got all my wires connected except for the hot and this power antenna. There's a blue wire right here from the other radio that says remote output only and or auto antenna. So I'm thinking that may be the actual auto antenna for this little blue power one. So I only have the hot to go and the power antenna. So I'm not going to connect the antenna just yet, but I'm going to connect the hot to see if I can get the radio to turn on. So here we go. FYI, there are 2 green wires, 2 gray wires, and 2 purple wires, and 2 white wires. And the distinguishing piece is they've got a black line on one or the other, so you have to get those right when you connect this up. All right, if you're going to reuse these pins, you've got to take a pair of pliers and squeeze it extra hard. Otherwise, the speakers, power, etc. won't make a connection. And I had to do this like 2 or 3 times with this little white speaker wire. You could hear it missing because it hadn't pinched through the wire. So anyway, this is going. I'm going to hook it all back up and put it back in there. So anyway, still haven't really figured out where this blue wire went. I hooked it up, but didn't seem to do anything when I took it off. So we're golden. Put it in there and we'll get it going here in a second. Ready to go. Enjoy.
97.1